Today, customers want high-quality taste that is free of cross-contaminants and flavors from cleaning chemicals. Because they are disposable, Urn-liners can assure the freshness and flavor of your beverages. Assembling Urn-liners are easy. First, unscrew the existing spigot. Second, attach the new spigot. Third, open the spigot. Fourth, place the liner in the urn. Fifth, feed the tube through the opening in the urn and through the spigot until the tube protrudes. Sixth, straighten the tube and close the spigot. Seventh, drape the liner over the outer rim of the urn. Eighth, pour product into the urn and serve. Replace the liner every 24 hours.